Just opening up this morning, guys. The first thing we see.
Wheelless Funco.
What's up? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Day 3, New Year's weekend out here at Glamis Fab. We are literally just opening the gates, as I've shown you guys before, and there's cars just scattered everywhere. So, gonna be a busy day today. We'll try to bring you as much as we can. So you guys stick around. Here we go.
Are we on the air?
Ruh-roh. All right, guys, here they come. Funco, no wheel. Can-Am, good right there. We're doing gonna do our gusset kit on the lower arms that always bend, and then we'll strengthen up the other side too. So here we go, guys, getting started.
It includes a wash and wax too, right?
All right, guys. Well, got the arm bent back, got our gusset kit on both sides. Brandon's gonna jump under here and weld this one up. Another Can-Am. These guys are working on the spindle. We'll get that fixed up. This Heims just rip out of the ends. You guys, check this out. The Heim completely ripped open and went straight. That was in a circle down here. Crazy. All right, next car up, Pro R. Another broken axle. Don't hide, I saw you moving back. So, our last Pro R axle out of the 7 we had when we started, so. All right, guys. Monster Manx in here. Getting the arms welded up. I torched them off. I got Brandon down there bringing them, buzzing them in. One on this side's a little worse than the other. So we'll get them welded up, get this guy back in the dunes. All right, so got a Ford motor here, little Essinger setup, and it's got a GM one-wire outlet on it, but the offset was weird, so we gave him one of ours, and then I went ahead and made this adjustable bracket. You can just spin this, put tension on the belt. So this one's all wrapped up, and another one back in the dunes, boys. Right here. There's Joe Fab. That's Dave Fab. That's it. So, got this one wrapped. Guido's just finishing it up. We got to weld the sleeve there. He's gonna bleed the brakes. And it's another Funco back in the dunes, boys. All right, got a Jeep in. Gonna do some welding underneath here. It looks like the panhard bracket broke. Completely broke off. So we're gonna stick it back up on here and burn this thing in. Wow. All right, boys, here we go. All right, guys, got the Jeep done. Welded the panhard bar bracket back in. Got it bolted back up, so get these guys back in the dunes and get out of here. These guys are working on
Making a mess.
Holy smokes, that was close. All right, this car had the roof tabs break off. I'll burn those back in. The reason they break is because there needs to be way more, but anyways, they're gonna throw the roof back on, get them back in the dunes. All right, guys, so we pounded that first 12er of tees, and got another fan bringing in some more tees. Thank you, boys. We appreciate that. We'll definitely enjoy those tonight. And I'm gonna go out here and look at another car. All right, guys, got this car just got pushed in, and it's like another CV job. Looks like they sheared all the bolts off. Seen that this weekend already. So we're gonna get it torn apart, have a look at it, see what we can do to get this thing fixed up.
So we're supposed to hit this out?
Yeah, good.
Down.
All right, guys, so we got this one wrapped up. New CV joint, clean the boot, new bolts, got them extracted from the stub axle. CV's back together. Another one back in the dunes.
How many white guys does it take?
Took the words right out of my mouth.
One and a Hispanic to grab the pump.
1.5.
1.5. They count the half, I count the one. Yeah, baby.
Tad tapper. Oh, there was Loctite on that.
Yeah.
All right, guys, another cool little, it's a mini bike that's been converted to a trike. Pretty sick. Welded the foot peg back on for him. 230 plus cc motor. It's a badass, got a spare belt. Smart guy. This thing's freaking cool. Cooling shock on there. This thing's pretty rad. That's sick. Love it. We got this pre-runner in here, and it's got a broken just bar on the back cage, part of the tire swinger. So I'm gonna torch off that paint, weld this thing back together, get another one back in the dunes. All right, got this little car in today.
Here comes Haram.
Subaru powered. And broken tube down there at the chassis. I'm gonna weld that back up. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right, guys, we had this car come in. Some cracks in the frame. Welded it there, and over here. Joe's showing them where it needs some extra bars, so that stops happening. And another one back in the dunes. You're all set, guys. So he's out of here. Truck jacked up over there. I think they're doing tires. Man, it's only 20 after 1. Brandon's on the table welding like crazy, and it is packed. And we're all doing the work, and Fab's out here with a cigar.
Got me a cube.
Nice. So, still packed out here, guys, and cars are still just piled up and piling in again and again. All right, Speed Racer coming in. Who welded this chassis to begin with?
Hey, leave me alone, buddy. Leave me alone.
Must be the trick of the trade or something.
That was Robert. That was his protege child.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
That was Up Dog. It looks like they stole somebody's design, huh?
A little bit.
Kind of
Looks like a Sand Limo-ish. Yep. Cool car. K24 skunk two manifold. So we're definitely going to build a motor for this car and let it make some real power. It's only making, what, 400 now?
435.
Yeah.
You're going to build it. And we're gonna
Yeah. We're going to shoot for big power.
Maybe like 50, 900.
Electric water pump. Real cool case setup. Sorry, guys. Mid-engine sequential. So we'll see if this thing will keep up with my twin turbo V6. Got a back valve on it. All right, guys, got this car that came in. Just blowing out his throttle body. Nice buckshot, one of Andrew's cars. This is one of Andrew's nicer cars. Full Corvette dash, AC and heat. I think it's one of his nicer cars. Really nice car. One of Andrew's, like I said, one of Andrew's nicer cars. Cool two-seater, Corvette dash, iPad, windshield wipers, and by the way, guys, this is California, street legal. All right, guys, another Can-Am. Double rear axles broken, both sides. So air up. All right, got this thing wrapped up. Double rear axles. Pain in the butt, but these ones are hard to do because you've got to take all 3 radius rods off, and then getting them back in there is kind of like a dance. So they're still working on that car, and then now I have another one coming in for double rear trailing arms bent. Another Can-Am right after this one. So it'll be a Can-Am day, boys. All right, guys, so Sherry finally showed up, and it is freaking chaos out here. Check this out, boys. Another Razor.
Yeah, exactly.
Pro
What happens when
XP.
somebody fucking hits you in the rear?
Oh, somebody hit you, huh?
Yeah, China wall.
Jeez.
Young man with like 3 blondes in it, just sitting there chatting with the girl, just being a
Wow.
Actually, T-bone.
So looks like we got bent radius rods.
She got really lucky. I mean, look at where he hit. And he just slid.
Oh, wow. All right, so
Up our tire, okay?
we're going to see what we can do for you guys. You want to talk to Dave behind the counter?
We did.
Okay, cool.
I was told, Tico, the guy that helped me straight.
Okay. All right, guys, so then we're back on this Can-Am. I just did the double axles. This one's got double rear control arms bent. Oh, this one's different.
Come on, be nice to me. Be nice to me.
One.
I think one. This one looks pretty good.
It's bent, but it'll get by. This
Wait.
this one not so much.
Let's go backwards to the get by. Do
It's
you understand how I drive?
no, I don't.
Well, I'm saying get by might not work.
All right. Well, if get by ain't gonna work, then we might have to do both. Let's let me take a deeper look at it, and then
Make sure.
I don't know. All right, guys. Well, anyways, we're gonna jump on this, and we'll jump back when we're done. All right, guys. We got the trailing arm dropped out. She's pretty twisted, and check this out, guys. Listen to this. Look at how thin those things are. So when Joe in the last video said it's like welding tinfoil, that's how thin the chassis are too. So this one out, we'll be throwing a new one in.
I got like 4 gloves on my hands, so like securing them off as I go.
Oh, see, I had it too.
Alright, one down. Yeah, no, that's fine. One goes, you know, hold up.
What's up, man? How's it going? Who do I see to get in line? Yep, that's me.
Hello, give me a sledgehammer.
Yes, sir. Here. You want it? Oh. Hold on. Yeah, I know. Hold on.
Not a Joe Fab sledgehammer.
Here.
Covered in CV grease.
Yeah, well. One I use is not too bad either.
That's gonna be fun to move around,
There you go.
Sure, just put it back. If you're talking finding it, whatever one, that's what I want to make sure that you're happy.
This part's hard.
Yeah.
You have to line this hub up inside these slots and put the bolts in. And the bars in.
So you need multiple hands.
Nope. If you get more than 2 hands in here, then you end up fighting with each other. Thank you very much, guys. All right, guys, 4:30. We close at 5. And check this out. Car's just stacked, still waiting to get work done. Day 3, New Year's weekend, Glamis Fab. Sun's going down and they're still stacked deep. All right, guys, next car. You guys can see it's late. It's like an SU car. I'm not sure what it is. Anyways, LS twin turbo on a Motec M48. And just having some fan issues and a bunch of burnt wiring on the relays. I swapped out the relays and got the fans working now. So I'm going to tape everything up and we'll tie wrap those new relays in for them. And late night here at Glamis Fab, but we're getting another one back in the dunes. All right, guys, late, still at it. Joe Weather over there. Had a razor interface electrical issue. They had the light bar, the cubes, and the whips on a 10 amp fuse. Way to go, wiring geniuses. But it's been a long one. Having some teas. What up, Whit? This is for you, brother. Want to say thanks to the fan that brought these in for us. And just when you think it's starting to slow down, man, they just keep coming, keep coming. Glamis Fab, baby. All right, guys, so again, in typical fashion, we got so busy out there, I forgot to shoot an outro. Guys, don't forget, our merch line is dropping now. I've got more shirts on the way. I'm going to show you guys the designs very, very soon. But you can get the designs that I'm going to show you right here. TheDuneAddict.com. Get your shirts ordered now. They are shipping now. So, again, TheDuneAddict.com. Get them shipped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give us a like and a subscribe. And we will see you tomorrow. And we will see you in the dunes.